Here are some interesting facts about peacocks. They are the national bird of India. In captivity, they can live up to 50 years. In the wild, they can live up to 25. They can run 10 miles per hour. Only the male of the species is a peacock. The female is a peahen, and the babies are peachicks. They have 11 different variants of calls. They lay their nest on the ground and they roost in the top of trees. They can fly short distances but cannot swim. In medieval time, they were considered a delicacy served to royalty.